Today I'm doing a Abacus AI review of ChatLLM and DeepAgent within Abacus AI, a chat-based AI platform that lets you access multiple models, manage teams, and even use advanced tools like DeepAgent and LLM. If you've been using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and you're wondering, is ChatLLM worth switching to or adding to my stack? This is the video for you. I'll cover features, what I actually liked, what kind of sucks, pricing, and who I think this is good for. So what is ChatLLM? It's a chat-based AI assistant platform made by Abacus AI. Think of it like a hub for all AI models where you can chat with powerful models, attach documents, code, and even transfer coding files to GitHub. Use tools like video generation, PDF generation, and more. Collaborate with a team under your one workplace. It's designed for teams, builders, analysts, and power users, not just casual chatting. So here we have the actual Abacus AI platform. This is a separate thing I will talk about in a few seconds, but this is the dashboard, okay? You can write here what you want it to do, and I will show a bit about what I did. I tried to create something for my channel so that was quite cool. That was a video, and then I did some crypto tips here. So as you see, these are just some of the models I used, okay? So the first thing I used was this. It was generated by Seed Dream, and then we have the below here, Nano Banana, and then a Nano Banana. It didn't have this, didn't create a good, it was God or bad, so that was not good, but I switched it myself and just changed it out. Overall, quite cool images. So let's say we want to create an image, okay? Then we have all of these down here you can switch from. You can use Quen Image, Flux 1, Magnifier Upscaler, Ideogram, Recraft, Imagine 4, Dream, and then we have See Dream, etc. And then you just click down here and write out your prompt. And then we can go to the more section. You can have video generation, lip sync, humanize. So this is great if you have written some content with this here. Then you can just click on the automatic and just paste in your article and it will humanize it. Another thing I just saw was something cool. You can create lip sync, video, editor, document generation, task, video analysis. So you can analyze a video when you are creating videos, speech to text, etc. And then you can also go on top here and choose a video. So Sora 2 is quite insane actually. That's I think one of the best ones. And then you have Van 2.5, C Dance Pro, and all of these you can just use yourself. It's very easy. Let's say we want to do Van 2.5 and then we just write out our prompt. One tip, okay, if you are going to create a video here, you can write down here and ask, can you, and what you want the video to be about. So usually I'm using probably ChatGPT, but the prompts there, you can't use it much, okay? It costs a lot if you are going to use it every single day, from coding, transfers, everything. Here, $10 a month and you get something called credits, okay? I have used 594 credits and I have 20,000 credits, okay? Remaining 19,000, and you saw all of that I've done, okay? So you can switch it to when you use it. You can have below, you can have how many credits it's actually used, okay? Another thing, you can go and do playground, you can do code. So here you can go to screencast, etc. Another thing I really like about this is the DeepAgent you can also use, okay? Here we can create Stripe integrated websites, Invoice app, a lot of freaking things down there. AI Steve Jobs podcast, blockchain, and here we see a kind of a how what is made, how would you actually do it, etc. It's quite cool. They also have something on top here. We have browser use, and then you have apps and APIs. So it's insane the amount of things you can actually use here, okay? Code, build new features, Netflix, team, chess app. So this here for $10, you get a lot of freaking things, okay? The thing I really like about this is you can go down here and you can choose which model. So this was an article I just got it to create, and it used 37 credits of 20,000 credits you have, okay? I'm not sponsored to create this video, but I just wanted to show you something you can use on your free time. You can do it if you go to school. You can actually get this thing to do insane things, okay? And for those people that actually are a student and go to school, you can click down here, study mode, and then you can just write out, if you have a test on grammar or whatever test you have, you can just write there, can you give me all the things I need to know to pass this exam in whatever you have. And then click there and you will get a huge amount of things you need to know. So this is quite cool. You can have DeepAgent, so this can actually do things outside of your browser, etc. PowerPoint, you can create PowerPoints with this. You can do a lot of freaking things. Yeah, but what I really like is the video thing, articles. You can actually get it to analyze. Let's say you want to analyze the 10 different videos on the platform on YouTube for specific keywords, and then you know exactly what the video needs to include, okay, in that video. And here we have the things you can actually connect it to. You can use Slack, Confluence, SharePoint, Google Drive, GitHub, X. You can get it to create different types of X things for you on here. It's insane, because if you go to the deep web again here, and then we choose apps and APIs, search, I think was AR workflow, X, Twitter, influencer. So here you can actually get it, read 10 last tweets, etc. That's the prompt, okay? So insane amounts you can actually do, okay? Then you can go to yourself there, and then you choose to profile, connectors, first party connectors. You can choose X, MSP connectors, and then you have messaging connectors. If you have any questions, just comment below this video. My honest thoughts and pros about this ChatLLM is if you are a normal user and you do not use it to run and hold enterprise, it works fine for you. There are two different models, I think. You choose $10, that's the basic, and then they have a pro membership, that's $20. So that's great. The pricing is there. So if you use ChatGPT and you use up all your credits and it says you can't upload more photos to get reviews of, etc., then this is a great choice for you. I just bought it yesterday and I thought, okay, I have to create a video on Abacus AI ChatLLM, because the amount of things you can actually use this program to is insane. You can create videos, articles, documents. You can use it to code full websites, add payment gateways, etc. It's insane. Okay, so this is a tip for you. $10 isn't much. So comment your thoughts, what you think about Abacus AI and ChatLLM in the comment section. I hope you liked this Abacus AI review. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.